Okay, this video is just introducing you to the CG20 and showing you a few basic functions and how to kind of just get to grips with your calculator. So the main menu, which you access by pushing menu, the main menu is there, and this has all your functions on, and you use this button here to get around the menu, and you use the execute, that's your equals, that's your enter. If you're thinking on a calculator, that's your main button. So if we go to mode 1, which you can get to by using your arrows or by pushing the number 1, we open up the run matrix mode. And the run matrix mode is just your normal calculator mode. But the nice thing about it is it will keep all your calculations on the screen. And even if I come out of that, go into something else, come out of that, go back into run matrix mode, it will still save it even if I switch the calculator off. Now for those of you who are neat freaks who don't like a whole long list, to delete you select delete, so it's above F2, so you select F2 and you can choose to delete a line or everything, so you could go delete all, yes, and it will delete everything for you. And around this display here, you've got lots of things that are really helpful to you. You will find this button particularly helpful for typing functions into some of the other menu modes. That's your X button, the one that says X theta T. You will notice a lot of buttons are the same. F to D is very similar to S to D. You've got your fraction button as always, and so on. But there's a few things that are new here. Capture in yellow there, you access by shift, that screenshots. You can even copy and paste, as you can see there, clip and paste. Catalogue, this catalogue function, some people really like it. It gives you in alphabetical order every single function that the calculator will do. But the button that you'll find you use a lot are two actually in this mode. You'll use math and you'll use option, which is here, quite a lot. So just to show you a few different things. First of all, let's go to shift and setup, because you'll notice your calculator will probably be in radian mode, and at the start of A-level maths you'll probably want it in degree mode. So you go shift setup and you'll see lots of different things here. So at the moment the fraction is set to top heavy, improper. You can change that to mixed number if you prefer. At the moment we've got radians, so let's change that to degrees. And for further mathematicians, you'll see it's in real mode right now. You can also change that to complex mode if you are a further mathematician. And there's a few other things on here too. So that's one thing, that's how to change from degrees. In the math mode here, you'll find lots of things that will become helpful to you as we go through the course, such as log of any base and derivative, second derivative, integrate and summation. So they're ones that we use quite a lot in maths, and so they're sort of handily there. If I exit, that takes me back to this. This is always your first level menu. If I go to option, you'll see there's lots more things. So particularly, we will use option prob. When we're using statistics, we'll use these buttons, and we will also use these buttons in statistics. So they're there. If we come out of that and go back to there, we'll also use option map. Matrix, this is matrix and vectors, so particularly further mathematicians, you'll use that bit. If I come out of there, back to option again, calc, this has got some other stuff here as well, or just different ways of accessing the same things. So that is a few different things that you can use. The main functions you will use on your calculator in A-level maths is you'll use the main menu 1, statistics mode. You'll use that, which looks like a kind of little spreadsheet. We'll use that quite a bit in the statistics section of the course. You'll use graph mode and conic graph mode, and also equation mode quite a bit. There are other things here too, and I'm by no means an expert, but I'll just be showing you the things that you need to use for the first year of A-level.